Everyone, and welcome back to another video. I decided to start my day off today with a little bit of a walk. I've just gone to the shops, got some bananas and peanut butter. So random, but those are the things that I needed for breakfast. Alright, I'm back from my walk now, and it honestly just felt so good to start off my day like that. If you see my last video, you would know that I'm currently doing a 30-day ultimate health challenge, where basically I'm just like putting into practices all little like habits that I really want to like implement into my life just to make sure that I can be the healthiest I can be. And one of my little goals in that challenge is to do some form of exercise every day. Like I've said, I wanted to kind of do like 4 to 5 good gym sessions or workouts a week, but just kind of be active every single day. And I did plan on doing like a leg booty session at the gym today, but I woke up to that time of the month. I'm lucky enough I don't really get any period pain or anything, but I do just get like a little bit of lower back pain, just like a tiny bit of discomfort in my stomach. So I just thought a little light walk would be very beneficial, and I also like kind of went the long way. I think it was only like maybe 2.5 to 3 k's in total. Just as I walked up to the store, I could have driven, but yeah, as I said, I just kind of want to get that little bit of extra activity every day. So it is Monday today, which if you don't know is actually my favorite day of the week, partly because it is my day off work. So I actually work like generally Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so a lot of people have that like, oh my gosh, it's Friday feeling, but I usually get those Friday night feelings on Sunday night because it just means that I've got Monday off. And I just love Monday because it's like a fresh week, a fresh start. I love setting goals for the week and just like writing to-do lists and meal prepping and everything, which I really wanted to do today. So I thought it'd just be fun to vlog today and just take you along my day. Hopefully have a really productive day. I want to, after I have breakfast, because I'm really hungry, I want to write out a to-do list and everything. This morning so far, actually, I did get up and wash my hair. I left a hair mask in yesterday and like all last night while I slept. After washing it, my hair feels so soft and silky. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to go make breakfast now, and then we're going to sit down and write a bit of a to-do list and just be productive, get a lot of stuff done. I have just written myself a to-do list. Writing a to-do list is my biggest tip on how to have a productive day, because there is nothing more satisfying than at the end of the day going through and ticking off all the things you've done. So my to-do list for today isn't massive, but I know after doing all of these things I will still feel so productive and just like satisfied with my day after it. Also finished my breakfast, which was so good. Genuinely like this like choc thick shake smoothie bowl, and the peanut butter makes it like chocolate peanut. Oh my gosh, I've been craving, like, I just love the consistency of like ice cream, that like smoothie bowl consistency. So I've been making that for the past couple of days and I am obsessed. Now my belly is full, I can get cracking on this to-do list and it's a productive day. So getting through my to-do list, one of the things that I need to do today is get through a lot of loads of washing, because I'm just so bad and go like a couple of weeks without doing any washing. So I need to do a lot of loads of washing today, so might as well get into it right now. Anyone else try and like stuff in as much as they can into like one load? Okay, it has now come to the part of the day where I need to get started on cleaning my room. It is just so messy and I just need to like give it a good clean and clean out all the little things that I just like keep chucking, being like, I'll deal with it later. So I'm going to give you a before, no judgment, and just keep in mind that it will be clean by the end of this vlog. Okay, so here's my door walking in. Firstly, we've got a light. I actually did clean up all of the clothes that were there. Is currently what's actually in the washing machine. Like little things, I feel like it won't actually take me that long to clean up because there's just like little things. All of my makeup here in front of my mirror, because I do my makeup in front of the mirror, like sitting on the floor. This is my outfit today, by the way. It actually shrunk in the wash. It never used to be this short when I first got it, but it's very good for that time of the month because it cinches in just above like the stomach and then just kind of like flows out. So if you've got that little bit of, you know, bloating, you know, just completely covers it. It's also just nice to not have anything kind of pressing on your stomach. So it's really just like perfect for that time of the month. Anyway, then I've got this. This really needs to be dealt with. Just like a lot of crap is on here right now. I don't even really know. I need to go through this whole thing. This is the before. Get ready for the after. Might as well just like be productive and go through my subscription box and just like clean and watch videos at the same time. Alright, so I've actually just been sitting here doing some work on a thumbnail, and I'm just going to put a little bit of a pause on the, that was me being distracted by the way, I'm going to put a little pause on cleaning. I'm going to head out to the shops to do some food shopping because I'm getting hungry now and want some ingredients for lunch. So I've written myself a little shopping list, and I'm just going to head out and get some ingredients for lunch and dinner. Just kind of stock up on everything that I need. Fun fact, food shopping is one of my favorite things to do. Like, maybe not top 3, maybe top 5. Like, I just always feel so productive and so like good about life when I'm food shopping. So let's go. When the morning Alright, so I'm back from the shops now and I've just made myself this lunch. It's literally my go-to lunch at the moment. It's so good. It's not exactly the best presentation I've ever done, but it's basically just like a homemade poke bowl kind of thing. It's got like quinoa, baby spinach, beetroot, tomato, a little bit of mayo, avo, cucumber, and a bit of tuna as well, and it just tastes so good when you like mix it all together. Feeling quite productive over everything I've done so far today, and then after I finish this I will get back to cleaning, and I want to do like the biggest clean out of my room ever. Okay, so apologies for the semi-bad lighting, but can we just appreciate it's clean? It honestly feels so good to have nothing on my floors. I do need to like vacuum, but that's on tomorrow's to-do list, so it just feels so good. Even made my bed, so that's feeling all good, and like, oh my gosh, organized all my makeup. Did clean this as well, but this is so dirty, like just actually disgusting, just from like, I don't know, stains. I think I actually want to get like something new to go here because this is like so dodgy. Like, it's hardly even standing up and it's just gross now, even though I love it. And it was like my first little thing I got as a little girl to like, I don't know, just like sit, do my hair and makeup and everything. So yeah, anyway, I also found this, and it's one of my favorite things to like look at because it just makes me so motivated. Move your body, nourish your mind and body, believe, feel amazing. That is how you do it. So I just like to have that right there. I also have this on my mirror that I love. Just says, warning, reflections in this mirror may be distorted by socially constructed ideas of beauty, and I love that so much. Yes, I just feel so good. Everything's clean. Put some more Polaroids. Fun fact, I'm obsessed with going to photo booths. As you can see, this isn't even like all my photo booth pictures. I just love like Polaroids and like instant photos. So got all of them there. Oh, everything just feels so cozy. Really want to get some more greenery in my room. I think I want like some, I know, some more hanging things around there. I want some greenery here. I've also got to do something with that because I've been saying I'm going to do something with that for so long, so I need to do that as well. But for today, I'm very happy with my efforts. I think everything looks so much better. I feel so fresh and so productive now. And now that my room is all clean, I think I'm just going to continue doing some editing, and then I will get started on dinner and meal prep as well for the week. Tonight for dinner, I'm going to be making something that if you've seen a lot of my videos, you will be so sick of now, and that's just like my veggie bolognese pasta. But it is like my favorite thing to eat ever, and I always like to meal prep it for lunches and dinners for the week. So after I do a little bit of editing, then I will go out and make a massive batch of that for dinner tonight, and then also for the next few days as well. Alright, so I've just finished making my dinner. It looks so good, oh my gosh. A little weird tip I have is to put avocado on pasta if you don't have cheese, because, oh, is there hair in there? Oops. If you don't eat dairy and cheese like me, I love putting avocado on my pasta because it's like that creamy kind of like consistency that cheese gives it. I don't know, it might be weird, but I just really like it. So as you would have just seen, I did some meal prep. I also prepped some quinoa as well, which I've got in the fridge because I just like putting that in like big salads and stuff. Yes, so I made a massive batch of this so everyone can have it for dinner tonight and then also for lunch tomorrow. I just found it so much easier to already have your meals prepped the night before, so then in the morning you can literally just wake up, get dressed for work, grab your container out of the fridge and then go, and it's just so easy to eat healthy that way. The absolute best part of the day, when you can go through and tick everything that you've done. Also, that's some face oil. I was oiling my face before, and yeah, and yeah, I think that's going to conclude this productive day vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video as well, just so I know if you like watching these videos, and I will definitely make more because these are personally my favorite videos to watch. I post videos every 2 days if you would like to subscribe for more as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!